Today I am reviewing the Polk Audio Atrium 4 outdoor speakers. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. I have been using these Polk Audio Atrium 4 speakers on my back deck for the last 3 months, and honestly, they have completely changed how I spend my weekends outside. If you are tired of dragging a portable Bluetooth speaker out every time you want to grill or relax, these are a massive step up, but they definitely come with some specific trade-offs you need to know about before you buy. The first thing that surprised me was the size. These things are tiny. When I pulled them out of the box, I was worried they would sound tinny or weak, but the 4.5-inch woofer actually packs a decent punch for a speaker this compact. I mounted them under the eaves of my roof, and the speed-lock bracket system makes that part of the process incredibly easy. You just mount the bracket, click the speaker in, and tighten it down. It is a one-handed job that took me maybe 10 minutes per side. If you want to check the current pricing or see if they are on sale, there are links below the video that will take you straight to the store page. In terms of sound quality, they are clear and crisp. The aluminum dome tweeter does a great job of cutting through ambient noise, like the hum of a pool filter or the wind. However, let's be realistic about the bass. Polk markets these as having powerful bass, but that is a bit of a stretch. Because of the small cabinet size, you are not going to get that deep, room-shaking thump you get from a dedicated subwoofer. For background music while you're having dinner or hanging out, they sound fantastic and balanced. But if you're planning to host a loud backyard party with heavy bass music, you might find yourself wishing for a bit more low-end presence. One of the biggest selling points here is the weatherproofing. I live in an area that gets pretty heavy rain, and I have had zero issues with these so far. The build quality feels rugged, and the housing is sealed well. I haven't seen any signs of rust or degradation on the terminals, which is usually the first thing to go on outdoor equipment. Just make sure you use high-quality, outdoor-rated speaker wire when you install them, because the wire is the weak point that usually fails first in harsh weather. Who are these for? I think they are perfect for someone who has a small to medium-sized patio or a sunroom and wants a permanent, set-and-forget-it audio solution. They are discreet, they look clean and white, and they disappear into the architecture of your house. If you are an audiophile looking for concert-level sound pressure, look elsewhere. You would be better off stepping up to the Atrium 6 or 8 models, which have larger drivers and move more air. But for the price, the Atrium 4 offers a great balance of durability and fidelity. The biggest disappointment for some will be the wired nature of the system. You have to run speaker wire from your amplifier or receiver, which means drilling holes through your walls or running cables through conduit. It is not a plug-and-play Bluetooth experience, and that can be a deal-breaker if you are not comfortable with basic home improvement. If you have an existing multi-zone receiver, this is a no-brainer upgrade, but if you don't have an amp, remember to factor that cost into your budget. Overall, the Polk Atrium 4 speakers are a practical, high-value choice for anyone who wants reliable outdoor audio without breaking the bank. They are not perfect, and they won't replace a high-end home theater setup, but for the price point, they deliver exactly what they promise. If you are interested in picking up a pair, definitely check the links below to see the latest pricing and availability. They have definitely improved my outdoor space, and if you have the right setup to power them, they will probably do the same for you.